Hello, my name is Angelica Coda, and today we'll be discussing how to properly install, remove, and maintain your static wick cover EX. Understanding how to safely use and maintain your static wick cover ensures proper protection and will extend the life of your equipment. The static wick cover offers crucial protection to aircraft personnel from accidents and injuries. It is designed to fit most static wicks with a form-fit gripping effect. It's highly visible, and the Remove Before Flight warning streamer alerts personnel to the static wick locations to avoid accidental contact. Prior to installing the static wick cover, make sure to inspect the product. Inspect the interior of the static wick cover. Grasp the static wick cover and align it properly with the static wick. Insert the static wick into the static wick cover and firmly slide the cover onto the static wick until it stops. Do not force the cover onto the static wick. In case where the static wick is large in diameter than 3/16, press the elongated side of the static wick cover at the opening, which will provide a large opening to the static wick. To remove static wick cover, firmly grasp the static wick and slide away from the wing section. Do not remove the static wick cover in a manner that pulls the static wick in an angle. This can potentially damage the static wick or aircraft. Sesame Technologies Incorporated is a proven leader in the field of ground support equipment, and we thank you for making us a part of your maintenance program. Thank you for choosing Sesame Technologies Incorporated Executive Series GSE for your aircraft protection needs.